Do you want to speak English naturally about what's happening right now? Today, you'll practice 20 useful present continuous conversations. Listen carefully, repeat after us, and improve your English step by step. Let's get started.
Are you getting ready?
I'm warming up.
Let's start running. Let's go.
What are you looking at?
I'm watching the birds.
They're beautiful.
I know. What are the birds doing?
Huh?
They're eating the seeds. They look happy. They really do.
What are you taking pictures of?
I'm taking pictures of the flowers.
They look amazing.
They really do.
What are you drinking?
I'm drinking coffee.
Do you like it?
Yes, I do. I'm reading a mystery novel.
Is it interesting?
Very interesting.
What are you looking at?
I'm watching the sunset.
It's amazing.
I love this view. What are you trying on?
I'm trying on this jacket.
It suits you. I'll buy it. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for new shoes.
Did you find them?
Not yet.
What are you buying?
I'm buying vegetables.
Great choice. We need them.
What are you wearing?
I'm trying on a new jacket.
It looks nice.
Thanks. What are you paying for?
I'm paying for the groceries.
Did you find everything?
Yes, I did. Where are you going?
I'm going to the bakery.
Can I come with you?
Of course.
What are you taking out?
I'm taking out the vegetables.
Are you making dinner?
Yes, I am.
What are you cooking?
I'm making breakfast.
It smells delicious.
Thank you.
What are you reading?
I'm reading today's lesson.
Is it easy?
Yes, it's
Easy. What are you studying?
I'm studying English.
Keep it up.
I will.
What are you working on?
I'm writing an email.
Is it important?
Yes, it is.
Are you exercising today?
Yes, I'm running.
You're doing great.
Thank you.
What are you waiting for?
I'm waiting for my flight.
Is it on time?
Yes, it is.
Where are we going?
We're flying to Chicago.
I'm really excited.
Me too. Where are you riding?
I'm riding to the park.
I'll meet you there.
Sounds good.
What are the ducks doing?
They're swimming.
They're so cute.
I agree. What are you thinking about?
I'm thinking about our next trip.
That sounds exciting. I can't wait. What are you watching?
I'm watching a comedy.
Is it funny?
Very funny.
What are you doing?
I'm watering the plants.
They look healthy.
I'm taking good care of them.
What are you doing?
I'm folding the clothes.
I'll hang the shirts.
Thank you. What are you ordering? I'm ordering pasta.
That sounds delicious.
I hope so.
What are you doing?
I'm finishing my report.
Are you almost done?
Yes, almost.
What are you washing?
I'm washing the vegetables.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.